draw Peppa Pig painting on a canvas. Wow! So, let's get started. Let's start by drawing Peppa's face, her cute round face and tiny nose. Next, let's draw her little artist hat. Peppa looks so professional now. Now we'll draw her body and dress. She's wearing her favorite red outfit. Let's add her hands. One is holding a paintbrush, ready to create magic. Now let's draw her canvas. That's where she'll paint her masterpiece. Next to canvas is her color palette. Let's draw what Peppa is painting. A cute rainbow on her canvas. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Let's start with Peppa's skin. Soft pink, just like always. Now color her dress and hat. Bright red! Next, let's color her paintbrush, gray for the handle and orange for the tip. Let's move to her painting on the canvas. Green, orange, and yellow for the rainbow. Now color the palette light brown and let's fill it with bright colors. Let's color the canvas stand brown, like real wood. Now, let's draw and color a bright yellow sun in the sky. Color the grass green, so fresh and pretty. color the skylight blue. Peppa's having a perfect art day. It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.